Black Phoenix checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now. Been lining some stuff out with the Welding Skids, so I got a few things going. Pretty much got it lined out. I'm about to take the arms off of it, which is the pipe. I call them the arms, so that way I can start painting everything. But before I do, I want to kind of show you the layout and how everything went, and that way to give you more of an idea of what I'm doing. So you should see. Check it out. Like I say, these are arms. You know, they're just. I'm gonna take these off so I can paint everything. But skids, you know, it's basic, it's simple, but it's very good with what you need. You can be able to put your bottles, they can slide. You can put your fire extinguisher on one side or the other, whichever way you want. Normally on that side. So, and this is the base model. So this is the base model that I will be selling for $500. And then I'm gonna have the deluxe model. I have two of these and some more things on it that actually give you more of an usage for it. Like if you're doing structural buildings and things like that, and I have the lifting eyes on the side. You can pick it up that way. It even have the shackles in it already when you get it. You know what I mean? Just like these. And have everything you need, just ready to go. All you have to do is put your equipment on it and get to going. So that's what we're doing. Building our own products. You know what I mean? Just an idea that I had to help myself actually, and it turned out to help other people. So not only have it helped me, but then have helped other people as well. So I'm happy for the outcome so far. And like I say, we got a big future. 2020, we should be able to do some great things, man. So my goal is for 2020 to really help some people, man. Really open up some doors, do some training, be building products, providing services, man. My goal is just to help someone else be independent. So while I'm grinding and being independent, I want to help you be independent. I want to help strengthen your movement or educate you so that way you can get to that next level. And you know, I know some of us brothers out here just grinding, and we just need just a good word of encouragement, a good seed, you know what I mean, to be planted in us so that way we can take our life to the next level. So if that's what you need, let me plant that seed, man. And I know you're a grinder, so I know you're going to do all the watering and do all the hustle. You know what I mean? But some of us just need to know that we can do better and need to see someone that look like us actually doing it, starting from the mud. So I want you to watch my journey, see where we go from here, because we just getting started. So we're about to get our hog on. Black Phoenix.